Arete Machines is proud to present the Hurricane Fill and Twist 2.0. This machine is able to do it all. Automatically feed, fill, weigh, twist, cut, and eject up to 1,000 cones per hour. Compatible with virtually all 98 through 109 millimeter cones found on the market today. Raising efficiency and mitigating losses is crucial in scaling your business. This can be ensured by utilizing our state-of-the-art weighing system, ensuring every cone is weighed down to the tenth of a gram. Using the digital interface, the operator is able to precisely control the weight of each cone, between 1/2 and 1.5 grams each. A standard 110 volt 20 amp outlet will be required. After every 8-hour shift, the machine requires cleaning, which takes about 15 minutes, so you'll be back to business in no time. If you have any questions regarding the Arete Hurricane Fill and Twist 2.0 or any of our other products, feel free to contact us through the link on our website, aretemachines.com.